Hey guys, it's your girl Z. Welcome back to my channel, and I just want to say Happy New Year's. I can't believe it's been a whole year. What was that? You know what? Hold on for a minute. And we're back. Sorry, but I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I realized my brother was drying something in the dryer, so I heard a weird noise. That's why I left. And also, I thought my mom called me, but my mom was calling my brother's dog. But today's video is the first video of 2022, and I bought myself some pair of glasses. You guys don't know, I've been wearing glasses since I was a child, and a bitch can't see far, so I bought myself a new pair. I got these from GlassesShop. These glasses are actually from GlassesShop. These pairs I'm wearing. So I want to try something different. This is like a blue ombre thing, kind of go dark blue and then goes to like white. These, however, are completely different style, like the color, and we're just gonna try them out. Let's open it first. Oh, that's hard. So you do. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys something. Wait, when I got these glasses, this is the case it came in. It was very clear case. You guys can see, it comes with a little wipey for the lenses. It came in here. These ones, however, oh my god, like I'm freaking out. These ones actually says the glasses name. It says GlassesShop eyewear. Says that eyewear with mass appeal. In the back is the website. So if you guys want copy some, this is it. They do prescription, non-prescription sunglasses. Same thing with reading glasses. They also have accessories and stuff, and phone cases. No, glasses cases. So the ones that I got are called Heidi. They're the green clear ones. I think it's like a mint. I think it's like a mint green, but this is green. I don't know. So when you get them, they come with a little pamphlet. This never came with my first one. Never came. Let's put you guys right there. It says thank you for your purchase. Inside is just let me know about the glasses and what I need to do and stuff. But just a simple cleaning. Let's read that, because I usually just take like Windex or glass cleaner to clean my lenses, sometimes lens cleaner, whatever is close, whatever's convenient for me, I take it. But this one says I can use lukewarm water, rinse them, then use a dry cloth to dry them afterwards. So I just need water this whole time. I mean, water does work, but like lens cleaner and Windex though, it's different. So these are the glasses. This is actually the wipe here. It's actually pretty large than the one I have. What's stuck? So the cloth looks like this. You guys can see. GlassesShop. It's a gray cloth compared to my other one. It's like a light blue. But it says the print name on it, action print. The bottom. The other one says that, but it's very, you can't really barely see it. And these are the Heidis. You guys could see. These are what they look like. Hope you guys can see the green tint to it. Silver, it has a middle inside. These are so freaking cool. So we're gonna try these on. These are the ones I have. They're pretty dirty because my hair's like literally in the way. I forgot what these called. The Owens. These are Owens. These are the Owens. These are the Heidis. I want to try them on. And let's go. I'm K-pop. Bitch, this is so cute. Oh, girl. Yes. Yes, we love her. We love Heidi. We love Owen, but we love Heidi. She's cute. I'm going to wear her the whole day. Oh, my God. So we'll put Mr. Owens away. Not for retirement, bitch. Just a little hiatus. So we're gonna put this right here. I don't know why the fuck? Matter of fact, hold up. The cloth seems pretty big. I'll lay them on top of each other, see if they're the same size. Okay, so I did. So the blue one is for my first pair, and the gray part is my second. And as you guys can see, the blue one's shorter than the gray cloth. So it's like, ooh, did they just like advance their shits? But yes, I definitely could see in these. I put my prescription numbers and stuff on the website on your account. You could log in with Google, have a Google account. I think Facebook, but I think it's just Google. I just don't remember. And yeah, so I'm gonna put Mr. Owens away in their own case real quick. Cause I'm just gonna wear Heidi. Heidi is where it's at. 2022, motherfucker. What? Who is this Z? I don't know this Z, but we gonna love this Z. I love these glasses. They're so fucking cute. I look cute. I'm so happy. Yay! I love my glasses. I love my glasses so much. My hair grew a lot. It's not even joking. How to wash it soon. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I don't even know. Wash day sucks. But yeah, I like these glasses a lot. I have a little spot I can see. It's like right in here. I'm gonna take that real quick and wipe it off the cloth. Okay. It's not fingerprints. I think it's just from the handling. That's why. But I could definitely see through these glasses. They're really cute. Very cute. I can't speak. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's very, very short compared to the last two videos I made on this channel. They were pretty long. Oh, yeah. That's now I remember. So, my last video I made last year. Can't believe it was last year. I made my last video of last year. I'm getting cold? Probably not. Hold up. I'm not getting cold. Good. So, last video I made, I said that I'm going to buy these curtains, and I did. The problem is it comes in one, and I need two to do my closet, hang it up. That right there, that metal rod thing, is what my dad bought, and you supposed to screw some shits that on the wall so it can hang, which I don't want that. There's one that's kind of like you twist and kind of holds up. That's the one I want. So until I show you guys what the curtains looks like, I need to buy a second one, and the curtain rod that I need, I think a shower rod that I need, so I could cover this part up, and then I will do a video on that. But until then, that video will be on hold until further notice, because each time Dolls Kill send me a notification that it's on sale, the bitch is sold out. And I'm like, why are you sending me some shit knowing damn well it's sold the fuck out? I'm just so irritated about the curtain thing. But on the bright side, I love these glasses. I love these glasses. Oh my god. I just love these glasses so much. So once again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Gives me a thumbs reps, and I see you on the next video, whatever that is. I'm not a daily uploader like some of these other content creators because I got a life. I got shit to do. If my job was just to sit down and make a fuck ton of videos, I would be doing this shit every day, but it's not. I got responsibilities I'm taking care of, so don't expect much me uploading constantly. Because I'm not I don't do that. I'm sorry. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment below, whatever you want, and please subscribe to my channel, and I see y'all when I see y'all. Bye!